When I called Hello Garage, it was different for me in that they called me back right away. They had somebody out there at the time. They said the presentation was very professional. I didn't feel pushed into a sale. I just felt excited, and so just decided to get my garage installation scheduled. This team just was very, very neat in how they installed my garage, and also their cleanup was excellent. I was impressed with them from start to finish. Hello Garage has some uniquely designed storage that it just all fits together, and that was important to me. I wanted a shelf, and I also wanted a cabinet, and I wanted them to match, and I thought they were great looking, first of all, and I love that I didn't have to install them because I don't know how to install things like that. And so I knew how they installed my floor. I knew that the installation of the shelving and the cabinets was going to be just as professional. People say, it's a garage floor, but it transformed a space in my house that I can meet with my family. It feels great, clean, organized, but just welcoming. I'm happy to come home, and it's such a good entrance to the home. And I will never regret that I put the Hello Garage floor in.